Okay, we're going to do ankle dorsiflexion. This is going to assess how healthy these toe muscles that start here and go up into the calf, as well as your Achilles are. We're going to start at about 3 inches. I'm going to have your foot lined up with this trim. I like doing this in door trim, but this is just easier space for us to record. The heel has to stay on the ground, and the knees and hips and everything have to be going straight forward. So the heel stays on the ground, that's tested. The other one that's not tested can come off the ground, and you're just going to lean forward and bring the knee to the wall. It should be very easy. This is about 50% function. So the goal here is to see how far back that big toe can be from the wall, where the heel's still on the ground and the knee touches the wall. That goes over the middle of the foot. So it's not going to go over in medial to the big toe, because then you're collapsing the arch. How's this feel?
This feels good.
So this range of motion is at a 5. That's like 86%, 84% function. The full range of motion is going to be that 6-inch plus. So she's here, and he goes down. See how she's wiggling a little bit, but she gets there. So an example of a fail would be the heel coming up, like being able to slide a piece of paper in and out of her foot, or if her foot does one of these, or her hip shifts, because you want the hips square over the knees. Those would all be fails. If she has to move her knee or foot or collapse her arch to where, here, she's doing one of these, and she's like, look at all this range of motion I have. Well, she's collapsing her arch to get there. That would be a fail. So the toes, knees, and hips all have to be facing forward.